How to answer children's first questions about their bodies and reproduction. Children aged 3 to 6 years old are naturally curious about their bodies and how babies are born. At this stage, their questions are innocent and exploratory, not loaded with social or cultural connotations. To help educators and parents answer age-appropriate questions, we propose the ASK method, a simple 3-step tool. A. Acknowledge their curiosity. Show that their question is natural and welcomed. S. Share a simple, truthful answer. Use basic, concrete language. K. Keep the conversation open. Check understanding and invite further questions. This approach helps children feel safe discussing their bodies while reinforcing trust between the child and the adult. Example 1.
How does the baby go inside of the belly?
What children really want to know at this stage. They are not asking about sexual intercourse. They are just curious about the process of growing a baby in the belly. An age-appropriate answer would be,
a baby starts growing inside the belly when a tiny seed from the dad and a tiny egg from the mom come together. The egg grows and grows inside a special place in the belly called the uterus until the baby is ready to be born.
Why this answer works. 1. It's scientifically correct, but avoids unnecessary details. 2. It satisfies curiosity without overwhelming them. 3. It leaves room for further conversation as they grow. Example 2.
Why does Charlie have a penis and I don't?
What children really want to know. They are noticing body differences and want a simple explanation. An age-appropriate answer would be,
boys have a penis and girls have a vulva. That's just how our bodies are made. We are different, but equally important and capable of doing amazing things.
Why we use correct names for body parts. Just like we say hands or feet, it is important to call every part of our body by its real name. This helps children talk about their bodies without shame, understand them better, and ask for help if something ever feels wrong. Their bodies are part of who they are, and knowing their names is an important step in taking care of themselves. Why this answer works. 1. It normalizes body differences without assigning gender stereotypes. 2. It teaches correct anatomical terms, reinforcing confidence and body autonomy. 3. It lays a foundation for safety and open communication, which is crucial for abuse prevention. 4. It keeps the tone warm, factual, and age-appropriate. Key takeaways. 1. Young children's questions are curiosity-driven, not social or sexual. 2. Short, simple, and honest answers help build trust and openness. 3. Normalizing body differences from an early age fosters respect and confidence. By answering with honesty and calmness, we create a foundation for healthy and open communication about the body and sexuality in later years. One question at a time.